Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about that healthy, glowing skin. Today, we're going to dive into the ultimate morning and evening skincare routines that will leave you with beautiful, radiant skin. So grab your favorite moisturizer, and let's get started. 1. Cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. First things first, say goodbye to yesterday's grime and hello to a fresh start. In the morning and evening, always begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. This step helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities, keeping your pores clear and your skin looking vibrant.
2. Tone it up. Now that your face is squeaky clean, it's time to tone it up.
Reach for an alcohol-free toner to balance your skin's pH levels and tighten those pores. Apply it with a cotton pad or use a spritz bottle for a refreshing burst of hydration. Your skin will thank you later. 3.
Nourish with serums.
The secret to radiant skin lies in those powerful serums. Choose serums packed with antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, and other nourishing ingredients that target your specific skincare concerns. Gently massage them onto your face and let them work their magic.
4. The moisture boost.
No skincare routine is complete without a generous dose of moisturizer. Lock in all that goodness from the previous steps by moisturizing your face and neck. Opt for a moisturizer that suits your skin type and provides the hydration your skin needs to stay plump and supple throughout the day. 5. Don't forget SPF. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is crucial. Before stepping out into the world, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Not only will it shield your skin from sun damage, but it will also prevent premature aging and dark spots. Your future self will thank you for this step. 6. Nighttime rituals. As the sun sets, it's time to indulge in some self-care with your evening skincare routine.
Start by removing your makeup, if any, using a gentle makeup remover or cleansing oil.
This step allows your skin to breathe and prepares it for the following steps. 7. Cleanse. Again. Yes, cleansing is a must in the evening too.
Use a cleanser that effectively removes any remaining impurities from the day.
It's like saying goodbye to stress and pollution before you hit the pillow.
Sweet dreams, indeed. 8. Pamper with masks.
Treat yourself to a weekly face mask session during your evening routine. Choose masks that address your specific skin concerns, whether it's hydration, brightening, or soothing. Put on your favorite robe, relax, and let the mask work its wonders while you unwind. 9.
I love you.
The delicate skin around your eyes deserves some extra attention.
Gently dab on an eye cream or serum to keep those pesky fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles at bay. Trust us, your eyes will sparkle with gratitude. 10. Beauty sleep prep.
Last but not least, before hitting the sack, seal the deal with a nighttime moisturizer or a sleeping mask. These products will work their magic while you sleep, rejuvenating your skin and waking up to a refreshed complexion in the morning. Congratulations, skincare aficionados! You've mastered the art of morning and evening skincare routines for beautiful skin. Remember, consistency is key, and don't forget to listen to what your skin needs along the way. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your dose of radiant skin goodness. Until next time,